So you're a topics in microeconomics student, you've been recruited to the assessment criteria project and you're ready to look at your feedback. So this video is going to let you know how to record your experiences with your feedback using screen capture technology. So the first thing to do is find out which questions you're going to be asking and also how to use the technology, and you'll find that information here on the project space. Just scroll down to this section here, and when you do record yourself you'll be answering these questions. They may change because they're in draft stage at this moment, and then we have more instructions or repeat instructions about how to do your recording right here. So if you've got screen capture technology that you already like using, then feel free to use that. Otherwise, we have a free open source one that you might like to try. It's called Open Broadcaster. It's obsproject.com and it will work on a Mac, on Linux or on Windows. So download that if you want to. The rest of these instructions are going to be based on Open Broadcaster, but watch them anyway, even if you're using something else. So then the next thing to do is open up Open Broadcaster. So let's do that now. And the first thing we're going to do with Open Broadcaster is just change a couple of settings. Most of them you can leave the same, but we're going to make sure that the output of the recording format is MP4, and the recording path, which is where the video is going to save, that should be somewhere where you can find it again. The other things we can leave as they are and just click OK to make that go away. So we're going to first add a scene. I'm going to call it my name and first feedback so that I know what it is. When I come to look at it again, click OK. Next thing I'm going to do is add some sources. First source is going to be window capture, and I can leave it on create new and click OK, at which stage I've got a choice of different windows to capture, and I want this one, which is where I'm going to be looking at my feedback. So after I've got the window that I want to capture previewing here, I can click OK. Next I want to capture my voice, so I click on the source plus sign again, and I get, let me show you what I mean. The source plus sign is here. I click on that, and then I want the audio input capture. When I've clicked that and just OK again, and finally another OK, then I should see that my audio input capture is working, because I get a little bar changing there. Last thing I'm going to do, and this is optional, is I'm going to take a feed from my video by clicking the video capture device and OK. And the reason for that is that it will help me if, say, I can't understand something you say, and it will help me understand your mood a little bit more, and all that is very rich data. So I'm going to click OK for that, and I'm going to make it small. I'm going to put it in the corner. I'm going to make the bit capturing my screen bigger so it fills up the whole area. And then, having done all that, I am probably ready to start. And to start, it's very simple. There's a start recording button here. And if I start, then off I go, and everything should be fine. And I get to navigate through the feedback here and talk about how I'm finding the comments and so on. And once I've done that, then I will eventually stop recording. It doesn't give you masses of feedback. You can tell it's stopped because the button changes to read start recording. And then to find the video, I can go into File and Show Recordings, and it should be just in there with the date and time. What I would recommend doing, rather than starting and recording the whole thing in one go, I do just a very quick few seconds of test run first, just to check it's working. Then once you've got the video, then I give you instructions back on the project space about how to get it to me. Hope that's fine. If not, you know where I am, Mira Vogel. My details are on the project space. Just drop me a line if you need to, or a call if you need any help. Okay? Thank you very much.